Hi guys, my name is Lynn and I am a Filipina. I live in Mindanao, but I'm currently working as a pharmacy assistant in Manila. My husband was diagnosed with a pulmonary fibrosis in the year 2024. He just lived 8 months and he died. But I do believe even before we met, maybe his illness was already existed year 2019, but I wasn't informed. I don't know what happened to a dying man. Our wedding anniversary was June 26 this year, and he died on July 12 of 2025. He told me that he wants to travel to Thailand. I do not know if he's just hallucinating. I don't know. Caregiver should be aware that if the death or if the near end life, they're going to say a lot of things which is very difficult to understand, like hallucinations. I don't know. He told me he was able to see it, and he told me that Jesus Christ spoke to him, and he told me that he was beat by a man on his back, which is not real. That is because he was shouting, screaming. It's very painful. And for me, as a caregiver, a wife, that is because he's having a hard time to poop. So I gave him laxative. In the Philippines, we have what we call Dolcolax. It's a tablet, but also we have a suppository. And sometimes it's really, really hard because in my case, if I am constipated, it took only 2 tablets of Dolcolax tablets to be taken, and it will come out. But for him, it didn't until 6 tablets plus insertion. And he told me that somebody beat him. I don't know if he just sees something which I couldn't see. I don't know. Please be aware, caregiver.